In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the Infinity Core here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process is really easy. The first thing you need to do is teleport over to Shibuya Station. I'm actually already here right now. Obviously, make sure that you do have that inventory opened up and that you do have the Infinity Core actually in here as well. It's somewhere in here for me. There it is right there. But essentially, make your way over to Shibuya Station. Once you're here, you need to go ahead and find the Limitless Trainer. He's going to be located on top of this little building right over here with this red billboard. But make your way on top of it, interact with this guy right here, complete the 3 different quests that he has, like defeating 300 NPCs from any island, using the ability, 350 times, and then of course also defeating the boss 10 times here at Shibuya Station. After that though, you just need 1 Infinity Core to craft or unlock the Limitless Superior Weapon. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.